Today's another beautiful day, so we decided to go ahead and hop in the truck and take a trip down towards St. Joseph's today. St. Joseph is just a little bit north of Benton Harbor, and it runs right along Lake Michigan's coast. They have a beautiful lighthouse down there, we're told. So we're going to go down and check that out.
Yep, it's an area that we haven't explored too much, so we thought we'd take you along with us while we checked it out.
I'll go pay while you turn the truck off. Haha, that's our lucky day. It's too bad that we don't have a set of checkers.
Yeah, probably lose anyway, wouldn't you?
Yeah, Fountain almost reminds me of, was it Charleston or Savannah?
Savannah, Forsyth Park.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's like a firefighter's memorial. It's nice.
There's the train over there.
Oh, sure enough. You can see it all the way. It's over there.
And it goes across the river and then to the right.
That's a big tanker right there.
Yeah, it is. By a fuel tanker.
I guess it's offloading into those tanks up there.
Looks like it.
It's huge. That bridge swings.
Yeah,
so rotates. I guess that they can get back out.
Yeah, it rotates 180. And then they just makes it into what, 2 passing lanes?
Yeah. Is that ducks or geese? Bottoms up. That's the bridge we came across earlier over there. Bridge is opening up down here. So cool. So that's what the boat was waiting on.
I think so. It's hard to believe that big coal train that just went over that 10 minutes ago.
I know, right? Oh, he just pooped.
Guess you don't want a cracker?
I guess not.
You see the sign on the end by the red light there? Looks like it says, "Do not cross while bridge moving."
That last step might be a doozy.
Right. And you know why there's a sign there, right?
Probably because somebody's done it before.
Exactly.
There it goes.
St. Joseph Swing Bridge.
I wonder how long it's been here.
It was built back in like 1904.
Really?
And they did some rehabilitation in 1941.
You done been Googling, haven't you?
You know me. I can't resist that Google.
Yeah.
Yeah, the part that's rotating is about 234 feet. The entire span of the bridge is 500 and something feet.
Wow. So what's interesting is look at the railroad tracks. Let's see if I can bring that in. But the railroad track itself on the sides over here where the bridge is actually sticks up. So how does that work when the train comes?
Well, maybe when they lock it in place, it lowers down, maybe?
Oh, okay, possibly.
I don't know. I'll have to keep watching and see.
Excuse me, sir. You're beyond the blue barrier?
The sign did not say no entry.
Uh-huh. Oh, look, it's lowering down.
All right, sure enough. Okay.
We picked a steep way first to get back up to the truck.
I'll see you at the top. You on your way? So the Silver Beach Pizza used to be an old Amtrak station.
So we thought that'd be a really cool place to get a quick bite to eat before we go out and take a look at the lighthouse. Oh, it feels good up here.
It does.
Enjoy.
Awesome, thank you.
Looks like they brought you a salad first. What you got going on over there?
I got a kale salad, and then I'm gonna steal a piece of your pizza.
Well, while I was gone to the restroom washing my hands, did you take a drink of my beer?
Little one.
Yeah.
Just a little one.
All right. Well,
Happy boy?
let's go fill up your water bottle. That's beautiful.
It is. Absolutely stunning. That's Silver Beach over there. That's the one that had all of the sand volleyball courts to the St. Joseph River, going up to where the river bridge is at. You can see it's actually in motion right now. Just when you think you've made it to the lighthouse, there's a second one right behind it.
What? It's got a lot of power.
Yeah, it does. We hope you enjoyed this impromptu day down to St. Joseph and out to the lighthouse and into, what's the name of the pizza place?
Silver Beach Pizza.
Silver Beach Pizza. We had a great time this afternoon and so glad that y'all took the time to come along with us.
Hope you like this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see future videos.
Hit that little bell.
And then also drop a comment. Let us know if you've been to St. Joseph or to the lighthouse down here. And remember, always to keep living on slow time.
Yeah. Bye, y'all.